So I think this is what I'm gonna try to get right here. Let's give you a little context. We're in this little area of the Muslim zone of Xi'an, so I'm gonna try to order that. I think it's called like a Chinese hamburger. So I'm gonna give it a try. Let's find out. Yeah. One. Yeah. So he's gonna make this for me. So we're gonna get this one right here. Let's see. How much is it? Is it 35? Oh. So I get this ticket. Okay. So I get this ticket and I'll get one. Is that enough? One. Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. So I guess he'll get a ticket for me. But I also want something to drink too. So anyways, we're gonna come back. And then he'll get that for me in a second. So I think so we're gonna try it out and we'll get it. So this was only 15 yuan. So it's actually gonna be pretty tasty, I think. This is the Muslim food street. So we're gonna try our first food here and just kind of see what it's all about. And this one is pretty famous anyways, so this is this Chinese hamburger bun. Okay, let's give this a big try. It's going to be really, really tasty, I think. Yep. Okay, I'm going to sit and enjoy this one. Yeah, it's definitely a red meat. There's flavors to it. Very, very red.